Everyone says nursing abroad is the shortcut to a settled life, but hardly anyone talks about the exams, the pressure, the language barriers, or the planning it actually takes. If you're a student thinking nursing abroad sounds interesting, or a parent asking, is this path valid, safe, and worth the investment? You're exactly where you need to be. This is one of the most requested topics on the Student Helpline channel, and for good reason. As a study abroad consultant, we speak to hundreds of nursing aspirants and parents every year, and we see both the excitement and confusion. Some people sell nursing abroad as instant money and easy settlement. Others reject it completely, saying there's no respect, no growth, and no future. Both narratives are incomplete. The real picture sits somewhere in the middle. And in this video, the Student Helpline breaks it down clearly, honestly, and without sugarcoating. We'll cover the global demand for nurses, degree validity and licensing, who should and who should not choose nursing abroad in top countries, career growth, and the real salary picture out there. This is not a promotional video. This is a career clarity session, so watch till the end before you make any decision. Let's zoom out for a second. Globally, healthcare doesn't run on doctors alone. Doctors diagnose, but nurses keep the system alive. Fact you should know, nurses are the largest workforces in healthcare. Hospitals literally cannot function without licensed nurses. Aging population plus chronic illness is equal to massive demand. Countries like the UK, Germany, Australia, Canada, and the USA are already short of nurses, and the gap is only growing. That's why nursing is a regulated profession, a licensed profession, and a future-proof profession. And our tip, nursing demand isn't based on trends. It's based on human health needs. That's why it survives recessions, pandemic, and policy changes. Let's kill the biggest myth right now. Yes, nursing degrees abroad are valid. But this is important only if regulations are followed. Your degree alone isn't enough. What matters is recognition by countries' nursing council, clinical hours, and clearing the license exam. Licensing examples from UK, NMC, CBT plus OSCE. In USA and Canada, NCLEX. In Australia, AHPRA. And in Germany, recognition plus German language. Simple logic is degree is equal to eligibility and license is equal to permission to work. This applies to everyone, local student and international student alike. Here is the uncomfortable truth. Most students don't fall abroad because nursing is bad. They struggle because of bad planning. And some common mistakes are ignoring licensing under graduation, starting language prep too late, choosing non-recognized college, expecting instant job after landing. Nursing abroad is not a migration hack. It's a professional healthcare pathway. Students who are planning licensing plus language from year one are already 5 steps ahead. Nursing abroad is a great option if you're okay with hands-on patient care, can work in shifts, yes, nights included, like structured hospital environments, think long-term, not shortcut, and it's perfect for students who want faster workforce entry than medicine. Prefer practical learning over theory, value job security and global mobility. And if you're disciplined and plan early, this field rewards consistency big time. Let's be real, nursing abroad is not for students who hate patient interaction, want quick promotion without experience, don't want to study for licensing exams, and are choosing nursing under family pressure. This profession needs emotional strength, responsibility, and patience. It's not a backup plan, it's a commitment. Now let's talk about what everyone actually wants to know: which country, how much it costs, how long it takes, and when you can start earning. Because vibes are good, but numbers matter. The UK is one of the most popular nursing destinations, especially for Indian and international students. Courses provided: BSc nursing, duration 3 years, and tuition fee will be 7.6 lakhs to 25.1 lakh per year. Clinical placements start from year 1 itself through NHS, and the top universities are University of Manchester, King's College London, University of Nottingham, University of Birmingham. Plus, NHS placement means real hospital exposure early, not just theory. And the next country is Ireland. Ireland is underrated but super solid for nursing. The duration is 4 years and the fees ranges up to 9.5 lakhs to 27.2 lakhs per year. Placement, structured hospital training throughout the program. Top universities include Trinity College Dublin, University College Dublin, University College Cork. Smaller country but strong post-study opportunities and EU exposure. If work-life balance is your priority, Australia wins. Duration is 3 years and the fees ranges up to 19 lakhs to 25.5 lakhs per year. Placement begins from year 2, sometimes earlier, and the top universities are Monash University, Deakin University, University of Sydney, and Griffith University. And a reality check. Entry standards are strict, but the pay and lifestyle are worth it. Let's talk about Germany. Germany is a game changer for budget conscious families. Duration is 6 years and the fees mostly free or very low. Language, German is mandatory B2 level. Placement, paid hospital training from early stages. Top institutions include Wright University, Taz Medicine Berlin, University of Edinburgh, affiliated hospitals, state recognized nursing academics, and yes, German is tough but you can learn while you earn. And now let's talk about the USA. USA is the end goal for many nursing students. And the duration is 4 years. The fees ranges up to 22.9 lakhs to 41.2 lakhs per year. Placement, clinical training included, employment after NCLEX clearance, and the top universities are Johns Hopkins University, University of Pennsylvania, Duke University, and University of Washington. High investment but also top salaries globally. Canada offers stability and PR-friendly pathways. Duration is 4 years and the fees ranges from 13.4 lakhs to 23.5 lakhs per year. Placement, integrated clinical rotation, and the top universities are University of Toronto, McMaster University, University of British Columbia. Slower process but long-term settlement is excellent. And don't pick a country just because your friend did. Ask yourself, can I afford the full duration? How early do placements start? Is language manageable? What's the licensing success rate? This is where proper counseling saves you years and lakhs. And let's keep expectations clean. Nursing abroad won't make you rich overnight, but it offers stable income, predictable raises, benefits, and job security. PR pathways in many countries. And for most of the students, stability is more important than flashy income. So, is nursing abroad worth it? Yes, if you respect the profession, accept exams and language prep, plan long term. And no, if you're looking for shortcuts, it's not glamorous, but it's respected, reliable, and globally needed. Now, here is where we step in. At the Student Helpline, we don't just send students abroad, we build nursing careers. We help you with country and pathway selection, college shortlisting, only recognized one, full documentation support, licensing, and exam awareness. Visa plus accommodation guidance. From day 1 to first job abroad, we've got your back. No fake promises, no random colleges, just clear planning and solid execution. If nursing abroad is in your mind, talk to us before you take the next step. Drop a question in the comments, like the video and subscribe for more real career guidance, and we'll see you in the next one.